Hey guys, welcome to my channel overview. Today we are going to look at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Terminal T2 Mumbai. So let's view Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal T2 Mumbai. I am on the highway. This is Western Express Highway which connects heart of Mumbai to Terminal 2 if you take a left, and if you go straight it connects to Terminal 1 of Mumbai International Airport. It's a busy route. You can see traffic running around at a faster speed here. So let's take a left and go straight to Mumbai International Airport Terminal number 2. So you can see Mumbai Terminal number 2 visible from the flyover approach of its main approach, which is on the label 2. So taxis are only allowed on this approach which directly leads to terminal number 2. Auto rickshaws, 3-wheelers, 2-wheelers are not allowed. So we are zooming past this super express which connects the city to the Mumbai terminal 2. So you can use the taxis, you can use private cars. So left hand side and the right hand side of the road are beautifully laid out with greeneries. And here we go, we are straight entering to the terminal 2. You can see it looks fabulous. It looks really fabulous. Today early morning we are here at around 5:30 early morning and it is fully lit up. I am in my cab and excited to get out of it and show you Mumbai International Airport terminal number 2. So before you enter here there are many terminals. So the domestic flights as well as the international flights fly from here. You can see the Indian national flag and the passengers standing outside terminal 2. So domestic flights, all the domestic flights except a few flights of Indigo fly from here, and that's the gate outside. And once you step inside, this is what is the look. Initially you get it. So there are airlines terminals on your left, on your right, and both domestic as well as international terminals. I am heading straight to the domestic terminal. I have already checked in. You can see the Forex facility here. This is straight to domestic terminal, and on the right hand side you have international. Bombay Airport is a very efficient airport. It processes the passengers very fast, efficiently. At times you get a bit of crowding here, but however this is one of the busiest airport in India and abroad as well. So I have crossed my domestic gate and now I am rushing to the security check-in area. This area at times is a bit crowded, but at times this gets cleared and you get to know where are you going here. So from here on, as you enter clearing the security check, you find Bombay Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport as a mall and a shopping center. So you name the brand, everything is available here, starting from car to jewelries, all big brands, toys. You have a lot of time for relaxing here, shopping here, and your near and dear ones will be happy. So as you can see here, all accessories starting from small to the big ones is available across all age groups. You can find jewelries here. So plenty of space, plenty of facilities, plenty of amenities available here. So you will find restrooms all across the terminals. You'll find prayer halls on your left, on your right, across. Displays are pretty much there wherever you look around. So you don't have to worry about where is the flight status and where are you going to. But of course, when you go for your terminal, the terminals are very far off. So you will have to keep an eye on which terminal you have to go, which boarding gate you have to go. This is the Adani lounge. So you can spend time here relaxing. This is a pretty big lounge, and if you are lucky enough, you can catch up a cricketer or a film star here. Early morning, daytime, or in the evening as well. This is again the site of the shopping mall, you can say, of Mumbai International Airport Terminal 2. And here we go towards the terminal gates. So this takes you to the terminal gates. It's quite far off, but you will find battery operated cars across for senior citizens and people who cannot walk. The terminals or the gates are beautiful. You'll find art and craft across the left and the right wall of Mumbai International Terminal. This is some art and craft which reflects our Indian culture. The terminals are beautiful enough, quite cozy with the lightings, and you'll find a lot of computer terminals for spending time over the internet. There is ample sitting area. This is one of the places which shows again some art and craft and culture of Indian civilization. That's towards one of the boarding gates. So today I'm boarding a Vistara flight which is going from gate number 46. So as I said before, you will have to be little careful. That's the view from my boarding gate today. I can see aircrafts standing there on the airfield, and Terminal 2 mostly boards to the Aero Bridge. So if you have a few flights boarding from ground level, then you will have to get a bus to reach to your aircraft. Otherwise it is through the Aero Bridge most of the time. There we go towards our Aero Bridge. I'm inside the Aero Bridge and going to board this flight. So guys, that was the view for boarding. This is the arrival terminal. I'm showing you. Arrival terminal is again huge, full of art and craft of Indian culture. But however, when you arrive at Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal 2, you will have to take a long walk to reach outside the airport, or take a rig, or take the bus, or take the cab. So this is the display which shows that which belt you will find your luggage, your check-in luggage. So this is again huge area and it's absolutely fantastic. The airport is efficient enough. I have taken my luggage and now I am getting out of the airport. So once you try to get out of the airport, getting out is not at all a pain. Ample area. So on my right hand side here you can find the prepaid taxi stands, prepaid taxi operators on the right. Yes, there you can see. This is outside once you step out of Terminal 2 arrival, and you will find a lot of shops here. If you have time to catch up for a coffee, you can catch up. This is the city bus stand. So arrival directly connects after a few walks to the city bus terminal. You can take a bus or you can take a rig as per your convenient. Ola, Uber are also available. I hope you have liked my video. So Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Terminal 2 Airport. This is a large airport. If you have liked my video, do share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you viewers for the time being. I hope you have used this video. You will love to share. I'll come back soon with new videos.